Hi guys, I've just got a little hack for you this morning. Just makes it a little bit easier. We've got a lot of animals here. We have rescue horses, rescue dogs, chickens. Something with the heat, what we get is any of their water containers. We soon get green algae. They soon get quite dirty. As you can see here, I've got the chicken one. Just a quick little hack is, rather than trying to scrub and scrub and it take a long time, something we do is we just get a bit of sand, add it to it, and all that does, it creates a nice bit of abrasion and takes all that algae away very quickly. Rather than using any types of chemicals, any types of soaps that obviously is going to discolour, may give a bit of taste or something to the water, which might not be very good for the animals. This is just very natural. It just gives it that bit of grit that makes it easy. Hope it helps. Bye.